All right, now I'm on page 533, the Go Math textbook. Follow along. It says outliers, gaps, and clusters in a set of data can affect both the measures of center and variability. Some measures of center and variability may describe a particular set of data better than others. Thomas is writing an article for the school newsletter about a paper airplane competition. In the distance category, Kara's airplanes flew 17 feet, 16 feet, 18 feet, 15 feet, and 2 feet. Should Thomas use the mean, median, or mode to best describe Kara's result? Explain your reasoning. Do you need to order the numbers? To find the median, the numbers must be in order. So yes. To find the mean, median, and mode, compare them, and compare them, So for the mean, we just need to take these numbers, add them up first. So 17 plus 16 plus 18 plus 15 plus 2. Let's see what we get when we do that. Okay, so we have 13 plus 8 is going to give you 21, plus 5 is 26, plus 2 is 28. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 68, and then divided by, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. 5 goes into 6 one time. 5 goes into 18 3 times. Add a decimal, add a 0, bring it down. 5 goes into 36 times. So we did 68 divided by 5, and we got 13.6. And these are feet. So that was the mean. Order the data from least to greatest to find the median. So let's find the median this time. So we have a 2, a 15, 16, 17, 18. So the number in the middle was 16. So the mean was 13.6. The median is 16. The data set has no repeated values, so there is no mode. The mean is less than 4 of the 5 values. So 13.6 would be right here. And look, there are 4 numbers that would be more than the mean. So is that really showing kind of where most of the data is? So it is not a good description of the center because most of the data is actually larger than the mean. The median, however, is closer to most of the values, so it's the best way to describe Kara's results. So Thomas should use the median to describe Kara's results. Okay. Now another thing Thomas might consider doing is finding the mean of Kara's data, but throw out the outlier. That would be another suggestion you could make. Okay, number 1, explain why the 2 modes may be a better description than the mean or the median of the data set. Okay, so the mode, or in this case modes, because 2 comes up 4 times and 7 comes up 4 times, so they would have 2 modes, 2 and 7. So the modes would represent all of the data. right? And the more of the data that's represented by the measure of center, the more representative it is of the data, right? So we said, like, for this one, the mean was 13.6, and we said, well, that's not very representative because most of the data is actually bigger than that. But 16, that was pretty close to 4 of the data points. In this case, the mean and median would be skewed, and the mode, though, would represent all of the data. The modes, there would be 2 modes, 2 and 7, which all the numbers are 2 and 7. So it represents all the data values. And that's what we want. We want to be as representative of what the actual data is as possible. Okay. All right. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.